ask you, John, and Misty, to answer truthfully the following question. Misty, did you copy your own privilege to find yourself forever in the service of your husband? John, did you copy your own privilege to find yourself forever in the service of your wife? Are you both ready to raise as a good Christian the children whom God will give you, God-fearing and guide to become a law-abiding citizen in our country? Misty, are you ready to submit yourself to John as his lawful wife today and forever, for richer and for poorer, in sickness and in health, and only death that can separate you?
Yes.
John, are you ready to submit yourself to Misty as his lawful husband today and forever, for richer and for poorer, in sickness and in health, and only death that can separate you? Yung po sponsor nila, may naboy pa nyo.
Dami. Taas, video ah. Oo. Okay, yung mga sponsor po. Kasi si Kevin, ito lang pong baryo. Ito lang baryo rin. Ito po ang mga sponsor po ni Ma'am Misty Darugdugan po. Napakarami po ng mga ninong po at nila. Alright. Assess mo, i-assess mo. Ito po ay isang kasalang naganap dito po sa may munisipyo ng Santo Niño Padre Burgos Municipal Hall, Buagua, Philippines 2025. Alright, so napakarami po ng mga sponsor kaya medyo nagkasiyahan po sila. Alright. At sa ngayon po ay pito kumpares ang ikinakasal po ng ating Vice Mayor. Alright, so natapos po ang kasal ni Misty Darugdugan and Jay Manansala. Alright.